Hey y'all, Nate here, Nate's Classic Cars. Today in front of us we've got a 1968 Shelby GT500KR. This one here is very significant, and it is for the reason that it is believed to be the only convertible in 68 with 391 gears for Shelby's. So again, Shelby GT500KR convertible, 391 gears. And that's documented on the Marty report, which we'll show you here in a little bit. So you do see that this one is Wimbledon White. Beautiful Wimbledon White paint. You get the Shelby wheel covers. You got the Goodyear E7015s. Black walls, that's what should be on 68.5s, and actually into the early 69 Shelbys. Black vinyl top. It's actually a saddle interior, which gives this one a good look. So we'll show you that here in a little bit, but take you a stroll around here. Get that Shelby tail panel, beautiful fiberglass deck lid, all original fiberglass on this car. Those wheel covers again. There for a long time, everybody was putting 10 spokes on these cars. They thought that was the look. Finally, everybody's going back to these wheel covers. If you ask me, I'm a big fan of the wheel covers. They really give it a good look. See the GT500KR, obviously Cobra Jets in the 68.5s. So let's pop the hood here and we'll show you this 68.5 Cobra Jet. Oh, get the hood pins here. And here we go. So here you go, matching numbers. Cobra Jet engine on this one. You do see the starter delay. That KR snorkel, unique. See the buck tag over there, original buck tag. This does have its blue shocks. You can see the Concours FA50 filter, which is correct. This one's done up very well. Original Shelby tag. You can see there 3193. So very well detailed. Finished up here at Nate's Classic Cars doing the detailing. You can see the bottom side of the hood with the plenum there. If we show you in here, you can see that original Shelby fiberglass. Those Lucas lights. So very, very cool car here. Happy to show it all to you. Let's move on to the interior. Then we'll show you the trunk, and we'll come back and we'll hear that 428 sing a little bit. So on the interior, like I said, this is a saddle interior, a little bit rare. Gives it quite the look. This is the original interior. You got that Shelby center console with the gauges. See those? That original saddle interior. If you ask me, Shelby didn't do great on the consoles and steering wheels on these, like they did in the 67s, but it's part of the look with what Ford did, moving to them in 68. So you can see that, what they called a styling bar, not a roll bar, a styling bar. So pretty unique interior on this one. Let's move on to the trunk, and then we'll show you the Marty report as well in here. So you got that original spare LCA's tire with the jack and everything underneath. You can see all the sound deadeners on the trunk quarters. Here's that Marty report. So this one sold at Yates and Stephen Ford. We actually got that on the license plate there, you can see. So Yates and Stephen Ford, this one sold new. As you can see right here, only one ordered with 391 track lock, and you can also see it up here. So very unique. There was only 40 Wimbledon White autos. Only 6 of those got saddle, and obviously this one has that 391 gear. So pretty rare, and actually you can see on the paperwork here, you can see high ratio axle. So very unique one. Let's go ahead and fire this one up. Let you guys hear that 428 sing a little bit. All right, here we go. We're gonna fire this numbers matching 428 up. Let you guys hear it sing a little bit. The battery wore down a little bit, so it took it, but this thing fires right up. Really runs good. You can see that smog setup still on this one. Those Cobra Le Mans valve covers. Very well detailed throughout. As far as concourse detailing goes. Rough tag. We'll rev it up a few times, let you hear it. As you can see, that 428, it wants to run. Now it'll come down. All right, here we go. I got Paul with me again today. We're gonna take 3193 out for a little spin. '68 convertibles, man, just cruisers. Really feel good going down the road. So like we said, this one's an automatic. And she is a cruiser. Numbers matching, engine tranny. This one's red oxide all down the bottom. So this one's very well restored. The only one with 391 gears. And when she wants to, she gets up and goes. So just a good running and driving 68.5 KR Convertible. So happy to have this one at Nate's Classic Cars, another one running through our shop. Stay tuned for more special Shelby and bosses coming up. We'll see y'all soon.